Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Seat Arona FR Red Edition. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 108 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 47 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 13 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 23,000 miles and comes with full service history from Seat. This particular colour is called the Midnight Black and looks in good condition for your mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the FR, you get the sports seats there, which are really comfy and supportive. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned, you also have the heated front seats, as well as climate control, automatic headlights and wipers. And then finally, on the driver's door card there, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. For a small SUV, it's a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. So if you're getting children in and out of the car seats, it's ideal, for example. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf is still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its lowest point at the moment. Below that, you have your tyre inflator kit, as well as a bit of extra storage. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.